work really does come and pay off. Every day working, we don't really need no days off. It was a struggle, but thank God that we stand tall. Now we pulling up, looking strong like we gonna brawl.
We are back. It's another week. It's week 3, and this week we have our first SEC showdown, and we are going up against Texas A&M. So luckily, this game is in the swamp. And with that said, guys, let's go ahead, jump into the week. With 2 weeks in the books, let's see how the top 25 teams are looking. As you guys can see on the screen right now, we have Ohio. Michigan went from 8 to 2. Oregon still sits at 3. Ole Miss still sits at 4. Penn State still sits at 5. Okay, so Texas, they lose to Michigan. They go from 2 to 8. So that was a good game to actually probably watch. 24-17. Good game. Let's see if there's any other major changes. And take a look at this right here. Clemson. They were 6. Now they dropped to 18. I believe they beat Georgia for the first game. Then they go on to second week to lose to Appalachian State. Like, come on, Clemson. What's going on? Tennessee, they lose to NC State. So they go from 14 to 20. Now, we got a couple new teams in the top 25, and one of them is us. Florida Gators are number 25 in the nation. We have one major update, and I need to show you guys what that big change is. As you guys can see on the screen right now, we have a middle linebacker from Alabama, pass coverage, 6'1", 235. And the reason why we want this guy is because we want a good user linebacker. And as you guys can see, he has 93 speed. That is perfect for a user linebacker. So we are sending the house to be able to try to get this guy to come to the University of Florida. It's that time. It's time to scout Texas A&M. And as you guys can see on the screen right now, we have the big man, the quarterback, leading the team in Connor here. He is 6'3", 215 pounds, 88 overall. He has some good speed on him with 80 speed, throw power 86. Well, I mean, awareness is 86. Throw power is 95. And 95 throw power, that is ridiculous, okay? Short accuracy 90, medium accuracy 93, and a deep accuracy 84. So this is definitely the best quarterback we played thus far. So it will be a challenge for our defense to try to slow this guy down. For the halfbacks, we have Owens here, a freshman, 86 overall, and a 94 speed with a 96 acceleration. So we have a very fast guy. So if this guy gets in open space, it might be game over for us right here. Okay, so we need to learn how to contain this running back, or it will be a long, long day for us. For the wideouts here, the number 1 guy we have Muhammad III, okay, 6'1", 205 pounds. We have a senior, 82 overall, 90 speed, catching 85. We also have another solid player here in Thomas, 6'6", 200 pounds. Let me say that again, 6'6", 200 pounds with a 92 speed. So we need to learn how to contain this guy and do not let him get over top. Because 82 overall, 92 speed, 88 catching. And we have another great player, Walker here, 6'4", 210, 81 overall, 88 speed, 81 catching. And their 4th guy is also 80 overall. Okay, he's 6 foot, so this whole wideout core is above 6 foot. Allen here, 90 speed, 91 acceleration, 77 catching. Tight end, they have a sophomore, 82 overall, 83 speed, 83 catching. Left tackle, 88. That's a solid player. Left guard, 81. Another solid player. Center, 82. Right guard, 82. Right tackle, 83. So the old line is stacked. For the left end, we have a huge player right here in Nick. 92 overall, 82 speed, awareness 91. So he's going to cause chaos for our offensive line all day long. And you got the other side, 83 overall, 82 speed. Man, we got some pressure that might be coming our way during this game. And talk about pressure. Take a look at their D tackles. They have one guy who is Turner, 89 overall. Then they have Hicks, 87 overall. So that D line is a monster. Linebacker outside, 76, nothing special. Okay, middle linebacker, we got York, 86 overall, 83 speed. Decent player right there, boys. For the right side, 81, another decent player. So the linebacking core is solid, that's for sure. For the CBs here, we got Tyreek here, standing at 5'11", 185. He's leading the way with 86 overall, 92 speed, 94 acceleration, awareness, 84, man coverage, 90. Okay. Behind him, we got Lee the third, 82 overall, speed, 89. For the third string, we got Hill, 81 overall, 91 speed. And for the fourth string, Ricks, a freshman. He is 81, 92 speed. So the CBs all over are solid. Let's check the backfield here. 86 overall in Anderson, 6 foot, 195, 92 speed, awareness, 80. Solid player. And we got another solid player here in Jones the third, 80 overall. So this might be the most challenging game right now. Thus, they are 1-1, so they lost the game. So maybe their confidence is not so high. But it's the SEC. Every game is a big game. So let's go ahead. Enough talking. Let's jump into the first SEC showdown. All right, boys, we are playing underneath the stars tonight. We are wearing the all black. Let's start off the big, ooh, let's go. That's a great start to the game, boys. Let's go. Let's continue it now. Here we go.
On offense, and I like the way this coaching staff moves him around and tries to.
Okay, 3 yards on the first play. Let's go. I just hope our O-line can contain this monstrous D-line that they have. So it's all about quick passes tonight right now. All about quick passes, getting it out to our playmakers. Like Johnson here, baby. Let's go. Last week, Johnson was our leading receiver in the game. It's just crazy to see that from a halfback. Woo! There we go. Okay, not a whole lot of yards right there, but hey, 3 yards, we'll take it. Check this out. They're pressing our true freshman, Mizell, on the far right side. So we might look his way right away, see if he can beat him here. And he does. We just got to lob it up. Let's go. Leg way. Why was that underthrown, my man? We had a TD, but Legway just underthrew him. All right, third down now. Legway, come on. We go for it, right? We're going for it. Come on, boys. Zipper, make a hell of a block. Open up the hole. Because who we got? Oh, we got our true freshman Danielson, the speedy guy. Just get that first down. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Cut upfield. Oh. Okay, that's fine.
You wouldn't have been the only All-American in this booth, David, if I were allowed to have push passes when I was playing quarterback. I'll tell you that. It is so hard to defend. It's so hard to seal that edge.
8th play of the drive coming up.
See what we got here. We got our man. We got our man. Let's go. Come on, Daniels. Come on, Daniels. Let's go, baby. Let's go. First touchdown of the night. Let's get it. Oh, they're reviewing it. Okay, he was not in. All right. That's fine. We're okay with that. All right, Johnson. Come on, buddy. Oh, easy. Easy, boys. Let's go. All right, boys, it's our first time to see this quarterback in action. Let's see what happens here. Okay, there's the #1 rush defense in the nation showing out right now. Let's go. Get out. Yeah, let's go. Woo-hoo. That stiff arm was nasty there, though.
Wear down defenses and they test their physicality.
Get that sack. Fumble, boys. It's a fumble, baby. Let's go, Gators. Go, go, go.
And the quarterback just ran out.
Amazing field position right now. Let's go. See what we can do here. See what we can do here.
It's Glagway.
It's not as efficient. Nice job by the defense.
Cut back. Oh, that's a nice move. Let's go. We are at least getting 3 points from this drive.
They turn to the passing
There it
game
is.
on 3rd and
There it
short.
is. Come on, Will. Come on, Will. Ah, hey, great play, boys. Great play. Let's go, Daniels. Get your first collegiate touchdown with the Florida Gators right now. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Touchdown, Gator!
This offense is so good. Man, they can hurt you.
All right, boys. Feel the pressure. Let's go.
To say this has been a slow start is a
Wrap
bit of
'em
an
up.
understatement.
Okay, good 5 yards by the running back right there.
An explosive play to wake themselves up.
Yeah, and it's just the first.
Let's go, boys.
It's not the end of the
Wants to throw. It's Wegman.
He,
Good timing on the quick out.
he caught that? No way. No way he caught that.
to make sure I keep that foot in bounds and get the big first down.
Jet
Quick
pass.
on the jet
Woo.
motion. Just sort of a read. 2nd down. Quarterback, quick pass to the receiver.
Oh boy, this is dangerous. This is dangerous.
45.
Okay. Now they're clicking. Their offense is clicking right now.
Handoff from the gun.
Okay, there it is. 1 yard.
Not much work.
I think they might do a little play action here. Send some pressure. Yep.
On 2nd down, wants to
Screen.
throw it. Setting up the screen. Can't get
That's
it.
3rd down, right? Yep.
He's
3rd and 1.
really- It's about just getting in the ball and
Oh,
letting
play
it
action. Play
Especially
action.
nowadays.
Get him, baby. Take your 3, Texas. Take your 3. Miss. Miss. Come on, 99. You're going to miss it. There's no way. And he just says, I'm making it, boys. I'm making it. Good kick, 99. All right, let's keep the offense clicking now. Here we go, Dyke.
And this offense did such a good job on the last drive. Everything in rhythm, moved the ball down the field.
If I did not have to, like, swerve way out there, that would have been a bigger play. For sure. Let's go, guys. That is a great first quarter for the Florida Gators. Let's see if we can continue to do it for the next 3. And that's a great cutback. Way to take maybe a -1 yard play to a +1 right there. We'll take that.
Push up front on the offensive line. They haven't been physical.
Woo! Just too fast. Too fast. Ooh! Our guys, baby. That's why I put him at the #1 tight end spot. He's just too quick. If it was the other tight end, we would be punting the ball right now.
Pre-snap motion, quarterback trying to get a read.
Get up. Get upfield. Get upfield, baby.
That's the touch pass.
Let's go.
To the 10. Hit the gas.
Let's go, Johnson.
All
right, we got Daniels in now.
Let's
see what you can do.
Moving forward, they have got to know if this guy has the ball because he is dangerous in
Okay,
space.
that's fine. 2 yards. 2 yards is better than no yards. We got that right side loaded, though. Blocking here. Do we take it? Do we take the chance? Or do we go? I'm going to flip it. I'm going to go to our strong side.
They'll try it over the left
That
side.
might have been
They bring him.
a bad mistake for flipping it right there. We're putting Wilson on the drag. I'm hoping Dyke will get past the CB here. Come on. No, he doesn't.
On 3rd down, going up top. Escaping pressure. Quarterback.
Ah, okay. 43-yard field goal. Let's go.
Over Toledo. We'll circle back if anything big happens.
Let's go, boys. I love our run defense right now.
And flew down with some
Ooh.
bad intentions.
Dude, our D-line is amazing these last few games. Let's go.
No chance to stop those guys as quick and as fast as they are.
He'll take the deep shot.
Let's go. Let's go, baby. Give us the ball. Give us the ball. Let's continue to put points on the board, boys. Let's go. Come on.
I got the lead, Palmer. I got the football. I got to take care
Okay.
of the football. Put
An 11. Dropping back, it's Lagway.
Just use your legs, Lagway. Just use your legs, baby.
He'll try to do it
Let's
himself.
go.
Do you want to play man-to-man? Everybody turns their back. Watch him pick him up. Put him
Nice run, baby. 6 yards. All right, let's go.
They're going to run it to the right.
Okay, we'll take it. 3rd and 1. 3rd and 1. Just get that first down, baby. First down.
Just enough to keep the drive.
How's our matchups looking? See, our tight end has the mismatch here. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens.
After run, now throw.
Okay. 3 yards on that pass.
Yeah, I like it. And I
Tight
like the
being
offensive
pressed.
coordinator
Let's
continuing
see
to work
if
the
he can.
running back in the passing game. Do more of this. It's easy. It's
Just gotta throw it high.
And
That's a perfect read. Not a perfect ball. You just gotta lead him a little bit more, man. Come on, Lagway. I know you got the arm. I know you got the arm to do it. We're looking for our tight end here. Looking for
trying
a
to move the
tight.
sticks on 3rd down through the air. Trying to get to it. Quarterback field.
That's not what we wanted.
4th down and the punt
Woo-hoo,
team
roughing the
sends it
kicker.
the other way.
Let's go, boys.
The punt team gets
Come on,
down there
right?
and touches it
Roughing
down.
the
That's where
punter.
they'll put it in play.
Let's go. We got away with the break here. We get a chance to put more points on the board. We accept that. We are basically just playing. Ooh, okay. Okay, let's go. Back on the ball. I was just going to say, we're just going to play for a field goal. But if we're going to do that, let's take a chance now, huh? We'll just run the ball again. Cut back.
They're going to go right back
Get
to
up.
him on 1st down. It's a fumble. Oh, loses. From the gun, the running back tries to
Wrap
hit the
him up.
hole. Using his legs, it's Moss. Across the 25, he's got room. And he's running.
There is no flipping way.
Past the 10. And he ran.
What are we doing? That's all on me, boys. That's me. That is my poor user. I was using the safety. I took away our backup. Now we just gave Texas A&M life, boys. They get the ball at halftime.
All right, guys, you've been calling a magnificent game there in Gainesville so far. And it's been said football is a game of inches. And guess what? Based on the comparison between 3rd down conversion.
This game is far from over. Okay, let's go, boys. Come on. Come on, D. Come on, D.
Good position to start. This offense needs to come out, get a few positive plays
Right.
first to get out the shadow of run.
The run to the right.
Wrap them up. Let's go. Let's go.
The play action fake. Throws to the wideout. Got his man downfield. Still on his feet at the 45.
That's a great play by Texas, boys. Great play.
With guys one-on-one on islands in the perimeter of the field, and they're just going to have to make better plays than what we saw
Right now,
They
it's
knew this
paying
offense was
off.
gonna try to be
Okay,
aggressive,
let's go.
be better at-
Lost
We're
one on
sending
that last
a
one.
lot
It's
of pressure
2nd
this
and
play.
11.
A lot of pressure coming. Come on.
Takes
Yep,
the handoff.
let's go.
It's Owen.
Let's go. 3rd and 11. 3rd and 11.
Keeping them off the score.
Yeah, it's that bend don't break mentality you're seeing right now.
Let's go.
This is the point
Let's
where
go,
this
baby.
defense is just-
Give us the ball again. Ooh, what? They really think they're going to make this long field goal?
On 3rd down. And they're running out the
See.
kicker to give it a try.
Oh, he did. He did.
56 yards.
Dang. Okay. Hell of a kick, buddy. Hell of a kick.
They coughed it up on that last drive, but the defense really bailed them
Wow,
out,
okay.
holding to a field goal.
Yeah, field goal limited the
Okay,
day.
so we
And
got
now it's
Wilson
time
on
for
the drag.
offense
We
to get
put
the momentum
Mazzell
going.
on a streak. We'll see what that safety does.
Back to throw. It's Lagway. Unloads to the wideout.
Lagway's just underthrowing him, man.
Coming up here. From the gun. Wants to pass.
Dude, the pressure, man. We're falling apart here now. We're falling apart.
We say howdy to the Aggie offense again. The give to the back. Got the first down and still on his feet. Just a
The run game is clicking, boys. The run game is clicking.
might as well give it to him again. He's brought on first down. Use the play.
Get him, boys. Oh, ho, ho.
That, friends,
Hey, that is amazing, though. Amazing. The pressure's getting there. We just need it every single time.
running back.
Hey, there it is. 3rd and 2.
Man, the defense was like a bunch of zombies in that last play. They just would not stop chasing
Hey,
that
let's.
ball carrier.
Oh, he dropped it. He dropped it. Okay. Great defense, boys. Great defense. Now we gotta get our offense clicking again. Because right now we're not doing. These roughing the kickers, the punters penalty is. Oh, that's a huge penalty, boys. Huge.
Keeps his drive alive thanks to the roughing the punter penalty. Smith takes the handoff. He's not for any good defensive coordinator. They want their guys to swarm to the football to gang tackle. If one guy misses, another one's there. He's off to the races.
See what I mean? That huge penalty just gave Texas A&M the lead.
Kent State. Any big developments in this one, we've got you covered with the best studio team.
Get going.
in the business,
Get going.
gentlemen. And how about that?
Okay, that's fine. We'll take that. Let's go, boys.
They'll throw it on first down. Caught in the backfield. It's
Unreal. We lose 5 yards right there.
to throw. It's Lagway.
Throw it underneath. Dropped it, though.
On 3rd and long. No secret what he needs here. He'll pull it down and run.
Dude, what is going on?
Well, that's what they did, running it down for a touchdown, David.
There is nothing more demoralizing than that for a defense.
To be physical push, they know you're running it, and they still can't stop it.
The give is to Smith.
Wrap them up. Good.
He may be getting off play action. Fires.
Let's go, baby. User pick.
And the ball is picked off.
Let's go, baby. That's what we needed.
You could just feel it.
Good defense, boys.
Oh, and the DB jumped all over that.
Keeps the
Hang on to the ball.
looking to pass. It's Lagway. Swings it out to the flat.
Get on, Box. You're tired, buddy. You're tired.
And sometimes you just come out as the favorite, and you're a little bit flat, and you expect to win. And sometimes that
They get that momentum going. We know they've got the dudes. They've got the studs on both sides of the ball to win this football.
Quarter. On 3rd and long, he's gonna
Let's
have
go,
to throw
Dyke.
for it.
That's a great ball, boys. Great ball.
They get him down, and that'll be the final play of the 3rd period. Texas A&M has the lead at the end of the quarter. They're sitting in a strong position here with the lead. Let's take a look at our game summary. In the second half, here's
Why
1st
is
and 10.
Johnson
Out of the
still
gun,
in the
running
game
back
right now?
pushes
like-
ahead for a pick. Quarterback reacting to what the D is showing. He's going to pass on 2nd down. Pass is intercepted. Got some room to run. Inside the 30. The 10.
That's. Come on. Dude, we knew that this was going to happen. We knew that the D line was going to give us pressure all day long.
Ball back, and here comes the offense. This possession will be a test after squandering that long drive, throwing a pick 6, Jesse.
You're right, Reed.
That's speed, boys. Come on. No one's catching him. No one is catching my man. Let's go. Keep playing lights out defense, okay? You guys are keeping us in this game.
Wide receiver shows motion. They'll leave it with him. Nice move to pick up yardage. 10. On the move, it's Wegman.
Crap.
Away from the defender. He stopped
Second and
just a
inches.
tick.
Wrap them up. Let's go, boys. Let's go.
At the perimeter of the field, the defense,
Make them
though,
throw
not
the ball.
having any of it. You saw the contain on the play.
Who is that?
Yards after
Who?
contact. All by himself down the middle. Touchdown.
Unreal, boys. Back to back, just big plays for them.
So dangerous because of that ability after the catch. For these DBs in this game, you've got to tackle the reception because if you don't get him down,
Let's go, Abrams. Let's go, baby. To the house. To the house. You gotta be kidding, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. This game is crazy right now. It's not over. We're still in it.
Make the connection last time. Let's see
Keep
if
going,
they
D.
throw it
Come on,
again.
D.
They'll run play action.
Let's go. There's the sack, baby. Come on, D. Come on, D.
On third and
What?
long, you'll have to turn it loose deep.
Wrap them up. Give us the ball. Give us the ball. Let's go.
Keep that momentum. I would say stay aggressive here.
and just keep doing what you were doing on that last drive.
Our run game, dude, is horrible tonight. Our run game is horrible tonight.
It's 2nd and 9. To the air, it's Glagway.
Take the easy yards.
Quick strike complete.
Just hang on to the ball.
They make this
So you're going to catch it, and I can depend on it.
trying to pick it
Speed,
up on the
boys.
ground.
This is speed. That's Daniels, baby.
To the air on first down. Fires
I pushed the wrong button. I pushed the wrong.
What a nice catch by the
Oh, I pressed the wrong button.
They'll have another opportunity to extend this lead after punting last time, David.
And it's important to put that punt behind you. It's over. Let it.
I'm trusting my defense right now. They're gonna get the ball back for us.
Groupings and try to show them some pictures they
passing
haven't
it?
seen yet.
Wants to throw
Play
on first
action.
down off the play fake. Quickly
Puts a
complete.
flag on.
He finally goes out of bounds after the explosive play, but now the question is,
That's BS, man. Now we are in a very dangerous spot here, boys. Dangerous spot to be in.
they'll
Wrap
try to
'em
keep
up.
this clock
Wrap 'em
moving
up.
on the ground. First down without getting it into the end zone.
Okay.
They bring him down and he's in goal. On third and
Screen,
long, he has to
screen.
throw for it.
Let's go, baby.
Receiver on
Let's go.
screen. This foot.
If he missed, that'd be sweet. Okay. We still have a chance. Let's go, boys.
To be highly efficient in their attack, Jesse.
So it comes down to the quarterback position too, Reese. Don't let the moment get too big.
All right,
Try
let's
to
go.
defend yourself
On the ball,
here
on the
because
ball.
this guy's-
So I can stop that clock for a little bit and possibly use my timeouts.
Makes the grab on the left. To the air. It's Glagway. He's taking the deep shot.
It's there. He has him beat, too. It's just the ball just doesn't have enough oomph over it. Let's go.
Not to force the ball down the field. They'll snap it from the gun on third down.
First down. So 6 will tie it, and a touchdown will win it.
Down the field. Looking to move it through the air. Hit hard
Yeah, that's not good
on
to see.
second down. Looking
Well,
to
we got
throw.
Daniels, so we got Daniels, boys.
Trying to find his man on first down. Sends it downfield. And the DB for
tight and hope for the best, and that time they were able to force an incompletion.
right back to the air on 2nd and 10.
Webb, you dropped it. I need you to catch that one, buddy.
Package, more DBs on the field to match up with all these speedy wide receivers.
He'll take a shot.
We had him open. We had him open, but I just didn't see it.
Desperate to convert, and he'll throw it. Oh, he loves to fire downfield.
Dude!
And the pass is incomplete, and the ball game is over. And
Why, Legway? Why can't he? Oh my goodness. What a game, though, boys. What a game that was. Just Legway We got to work on your ability to throw deep balls. Well, just like that, guys. Week 3 is in the books. Our first week that we ranked, we lose the game. So I'll catch you guys in week 4.